There will come a time na meron ka ng renewal na 5 million, 10 million.
And basically, si Telcare until now, wala yan. First quarter, 6 million sales. Wow!
6 million sales as a team.
First quarter.
First quarter. 3 months. 2 months pala kagad. 2 months. Kasi February kang
February and
2 months. Then this coming quarter 2, at least double. Double. At least.
commitment.
At least double. I know they're growing eh. I know the community is growing.
Definitely.
Kaya
And
malakas loob ko mag-grow.
hindi natin kayang i-contain ang growth. Kasi talagang tayo ang hinahanap.
Oo.
So you want to be part of that tayo. Kasi kung hindi mo sasabayan yan, may iwan kayo.
Yes.
This is an opportunity probably hindi nakikita ng iba. Akala nila pa, yun nga, dinidisregard. Extra income 500. Akala nila ganun eh. Akala nila, pioneer account. First tayo. Basically, wala pa tayong first 100 leader. So parang, this is just another HMO. This is just another health card or opportunity. They don't see the possibility. Pero it's okay. Kasi, pinagpipray nga natin na tamang tao yung nandito. Kaya kayo nandito kasi kasama kayo dun sa tamang tao. So, hindi natin pahihirapan yung sarili natin yung isa't isa. Kasi nga, this is a God's given. We do this because this is part of our tawag. We stay true to that mission na we give that income opportunity to people. Akala mo iba sideline 500 pesos, 1,000 pesos. Hindi eh. 6 digit income in a month time.
And I'm publicly sharing them sa kanila.